just one thing I need.
Good morning, everyone. It is, what's today? Sunday.
No.
Yes, it's Sunday, October what? 29, and I have visitor here. Babysitting Holly. That's Phoebe.
Saturday.
And no, it's not Saturday, it's Sunday. So yeah,
Tomorrow is Saturday.
he's very talkative, this one. Guys,
Mom,
kilala nyo na siya, di ba? Yes.
Mommy, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday.
I have school tomorrow.
Yes. And today we are making what?
Banana.
Yeah, they're gonna help me.
Apple crumble.
Yeah, that's next time.
Oh,
So
when it hot.
yeah, when it's really hot. So for now, we're gonna make.
Banana bread.
They're gonna help
Can
me.
I mix them?
Yes.
And
And Phoebe will look after Holly. Look at Holly. Yeah, I'll get you something. Okay, sit down. Holly. Bigyan ko muna sila ng breakfast. Tingnan mo si Holly. Ta. Here, Baba. Here. Your smiley face. Ayan. So, gawan ko muna silang sandwich. Saki, you don't need apple juice because you got your Gatorade.
That's mine.
Wow!
Beach
Can you see me?
Beach
Yeah?
bed. Beach bed.
Come on. Mom? Okay, Mommy. We'll do it for you. Mommy. Yay! Pardon me. Kinain ko yung mga tira nilang sandwiches. Kasi sayang. Andun na sila sa labas. Malamig. Tapos ang lakas ng hangin ngayon. Andun sila. Oh. Sandali. Ay, pakita ko sa'yo. Remember Daddy said, don't lift like that. Yung hangin sa labas, guys. Oh. Parang sa ating bagyo. Oh, pasok na ako. I'll go inside. It's cold. Yeah. You can do it. Well, you have to charge it first.
I forgot the charger.
Broom. Go, Holly. Broom. Oh. This is our Sunday. You are cheating, Kuya. Oh, it's cold. Ang lamig ng hangin. Ayan si Phoebe. Maghugas na nga. Yes?
Don't kids play iPad, 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 iPad.
Yes, iPad all the time. That's wrong, right?
You have to learn first. Then,
Pardon?
you have to learn first, then clean up, then vacuum, then play.
That's right. And then, if you're good, you can have the iPad for how many minutes?
10.
10. So, today, you're not gonna vacuum. It's your day off, okay, Mom?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Yes.
11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19.
18, 19.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, sabi ni Zach, narinig niya yung sinabi niya, di ba?
That's not.
Sabi ko sa kanya, kunin niya yung vacuum kasi mag-vacuum ako dito sa kusina lang naman kasi yung mga hulog-hulog nila nung kumain sila.
10.
Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ikaw mag-vacuum kasi day off mo ngayon. Tapos yun na yung sinabi niya. All the kids, di ba narinig niyo? Yes?
Mom, I don't know the numbers.
I will teach you when it's finished.
3, 4,
5, 6, 7,
No.
7.
1, 2,
Nagbibilang siya
3,
dun, no?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you will one day. You will. So, di ba? Yun, ganyan si Zach. Marami siyang,
13.
ewan ko hindi ko masabi ko nung tamang words.
1, 2,
Tapos na ako maghugas.
3,
Hugasan ko itong mga eggs. Binigyan ako ng nanay ni Phoebe. 2 tray. So, 2 dosena. Ayan, oh, free range siya. Oh. Hindi pa siya hugas. So, hugasan ko siya. Ang laki niya, oh. Yeah, lagi ako nakakuha ang free eggs. Minsan dyan sa kapitbahay namin, yung pruny dyan. Kasi may chook sila or yung inahing manok. Yes.
Count them from the mother.
Yeah. Binigyan ako ng 2. Nasaan yung isa? Where's the other eggs? Kuya! Where's the other tray?
I don't know.
I got... Where's the other one?
There.
No, that's empty. Where's the other one? Sandali, hanapin ko nga nawawala yung...
Mother, can I learn?
Yes, you can learn.
Yay.
Where is it?
I don't know. I didn't eat it. Holly didn't eat it.
That one and this one?
Is it folded?
No, it's empty. I'm not sure.
There was.
There's two, I know it. Wait, hanapin. Nahanap ko siya sa kwarto ni Tija tsaka ni Zach kasi kanina, nung
No.
si Zach gusto niyang magpaturo, sabi ko saglit lang. Kasi kanina tinawag ako ni Zach, maghanap ng damit niya, kung anong susutin niya today. Tapos linagay ko to, nakalimutan kong dalhin sa kusina. So anyway, eto siya. Tingnan niyo guys. Look at this. Diba ang laki? Ayan o, ang laki ng eggs. So I got this. 24 eggs. So yeah. So yung kapitbahay din namin, yung nasabi ko na ba yun, yung crew namin ni Jan sa boat, binibigyan din niya kami ng eggs. Kasi yung chooks or yung inahing manok ba yun? Nangingitlog siya, 7 piraso taga-araw. So, di ba ang dami nun? So, tingnan niyo talaga to. Natutuwa ako dito kasi ang lalaki. O, kaysa yung pag bumili kami sa Kohl's, $8 or $9 or $7, tapos maliliit siya. Sandali. Mayroon akong binili kahapon. Ito siya.
Hi guys.
Tingnan niyo to, oh. I bought this for how much? I think $7. Tapos, tingnan mo naman to. From Kohl's. Ito ang libre. Diba? Ang galing. Mas malaki pa yung libre kaysa nabibili. So, yun lang. Shinare ko lang sa inyo. So, hugasan ko lang to kasi may mga tay-tay siya ng manok. Tapos, ilalagay ko sa fridge. So, yan. Gaza? Ano you wanna learn, Baba? But mommy has something to do. We'll do that when mommy finishes and after we bake banana. Gusto niya lang turuan ko siya ng magbilang kasi nga mag-school na siya. Marunong naman siya 1 to 5. Candy, diba? Kinukorek niya naman ako. School kasi si kuya niya, candy lang daw siya. Yeah? So, gasan ko muna tong eggs.
Is it big together?
Tapos mag-bake tayong banana bread.
You trying to vacuum, Holly? You want to vacuum for Mum?
Yes, I will teach you later. Gusto niya na talaga. Yeah, wait, Baba. Gasan ko muna to. May mga ano pa siya, Damo-damo.
Ew.
Ew. Yes, Baba. Wait.
Mom, can I put them in?
No, Baba, because you might break it. I know you want to help. Not this time.
I will not.
Careful.
Wait, are you doing banana bread now?
Not yet.
We doing the egg.
Careful, Penny.
Baby, I want you to help me. I want to do
Go. Put it slowly, huh?
Yeah, more of them.
Careful. Slowly. Yeah. Slowly.
Wow, this is a big egg.
I know. Let me see. Show it to them. Say, tell them.
This is a big egg.
Here. Here. They can see it.
This is a big egg.
Really big. See?
Mom,
Yeah. Here. Okay, gusto tumulong ni Sak eh. Don't
hi
break.
guys. We wash all the eggs.
Sorry pinapakita ko pa ulit-ulit kasi talaga ang bigat niya tapos ang laki.
Mom, I just one there.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we're done here. Now we're gonna do the vacuum. Now we're gonna do the vacuum in the kitchen. It's your day off today doing that job.
Me first, please.
Okay, turuan ko nga muna itong mag 1, 2, 3, mag-count.
Ding. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50, 50,
15,
51,
51, 52, 53,
54,
55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60.
60. Then this one.
Yeah, okay,
Then
80.
can I play that?
No.
I wanna do all these.
Okay, 81,
Which one?
81.
81. I did this
No,
one.
that's we did that. 81,
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89,
90,
19.
90.
Now one more, then one more. So I play that.
I didn't say you're gonna play.
92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99,
9, 1,
100.
100. What's that?
Square,
Yeah. Pen.
Bendodon,
Hex. Hex.
Hexadon, Heptadon,
Oh,
This one?
oh,
Octodon,
no.
Nonodon, Triangle.
Tapos ko nang turuan si Sa kasi hindi niya ako titigilan. At na may sasabihin mo siya, yes?
Mommy, I play that.
So, Did I say that if you learn, you're gonna play iPad? I didn't say that. Huh? I didn't say you're gonna play iPad. We're gonna bake banana bread. You help my kid because I didn't say that you're gonna play iPad after you're learning. I didn't say that. And we're gonna bake banana bread. Okay? Yeah, you're gonna help mommy bake banana bread. Okay, let's go. I'm not sure. We'll see how you behave, okay? If you, oh, my baby. Oh, you need mommy now. You need mommy now. Oh, kailangan niya na ako. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna put Holly sleep, okay? Because I think Holly is tired. Okay. I'm just gonna put her sleep. Where's your milk? Get your milk, Holly. Get your milk. Come on. Get your milk. Where's your milk? Get your milk. Get your milk. Ha? Okay, come on. Let's go. Gusto niya nang matulog, oh. Yes, she needs mommy to put her sleep. Let's go sleep. Ah, ang buhay ng isang nanay. Ano, nak? Say. Dinalagyan ko nito kasi si Holly, minsan dinadala niya yung pagkain dito. So, minsan hindi ko siya nababantayan na nadudumihan yung couch. Ayun, itong upuan ko. Ayan, medyo madumi na nga siya. This side. Right, Holly? Say hi! Say hi, everyone! Today is Sunday. We shouldn't be vlogging, but it's alright, right, Holly? It's alright. Hi! Okay, are you gonna be 1 o'clock. Tulog na si Holly. Lalagay ko na siya sa cot. Or sa crib. Yung boys, naglalaro sila ng puzzles. Kasama si Phoebe. So, ilalagay ko muna siya. Sana wag siya mag-isa. Tapos mag-bake na tayong banana bread. First, the ingredients of our banana bread. And then, I'm gonna do the...
Mom, up the vacuum time, say it like that.
I said, no, we're gonna bake banana bread, okay? No. It depends how you behave. Depends, okay? Kinukulit niya ako talaga maglaro daw siya ng iPad. Sabi ko, pag behave siya. Okay? Yes. So, yeah. So, paulit-ulit siya.
Jingle, jingle, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle, jingle, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is.
So, tapos na ako maglinis dito sa kusina. Kunin ko muna yung beef schnitzel sa freezer kasi yun ang dinner ni John mamaya. Beef schnitzel. Gawa ko ng garlic prawn sauce for this topping. Yun. Tapos, ipe-prepare ko na yung mga ingredients for banana bread. yan? What? Flour?
Flour, salt,
Baking.
baking soda.
Baking soda. Here.
I'm mixing it now. Mom, this one ate this.
Here in the middle. Yeah, okay, that's it. And you have to like this.
Okay.
No, that's enough. You have to use your hand.
Wow.
Okay, first. Yeah, and then clear. What you gonna do next?
Mix it.
Yes.
Hi people, we gonna wash this people. Put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix it. Now it's all right. Wow! Smells like banana. It smells like banana. No, it looks like milk sugar banana. Now bake it for 40 to 60 minutes. Mom, can I? I didn't touch it. I touched the buggy.
Close it, close it.
Where's the buggy?
She's into that, all those bullets.
Oh! Banana bread. Daddy, where's the buggy?
I'll be over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing?
Muna tayo ng sauce. Creamy garlic prawns. Tingnan niyo si Holly. Yes?
I will not taste it
Ito.
again.
So, gagawa na tayo ng sauce. Ito na yung...
Mommy!
Yes!
Again, I will not taste it
Ang
again.
ingay dito, no? Wait lang, sorry. Ha? Did you say?
I will not taste it again.
You're not...
He's in the banana bread again.
You're not gonna what?
He's not gonna kiss the banana bread again.
Kasi dati, hinalikan niya yung... Tito, it's hot, Holly! It's hot! Don't touch, it's hot! It's hot. The oven, it's hot. No touch. No touch.
It didn't burn in here.
Yeah. So, ito na yung ano, yung beef schnitzel. So, ito na yung pan para gawin ko ng sauce. Ang ingay. Sorry kung hindi niyo ako naririnig.
Mom, can I touch?
So, yun. Basta gagawa na ako ng garlic prawn
Wait, that's
sauce.
really hot.
Yes, ayan naman yung...
Touch?
No, don't. Gusto niya naman i-try. Ganyan yan lagi. Sabi ko sa inyo na inaamoy niya. Ito yung hipon. Tsaka ito yung thick and cream. Tsaka, what's that?
So hungry.
I know you are. That's why mommy's cooking.
Can
Ito,
I turn
garlic.
that on? I told you. Yeah, that was on the drum. That's like good. I thought it's not hot.
Merong pusa akong kasama. Oh.
Maggie, it's not hot. Yummy. The banana bread smells like good. And that is so good.
Can you smell the banana bread, Zach?
Yes? Yeah?
Hoy, enough!
Oh! German! Oh!
That's enough! Wait for the sauce. Hoy! Honey, look at Zachary, hon.
Tomato garlic cream sauce.
That's right.
Good babe. Good babe.
Stop it now. Come on, it's almost done. Yummy, babe. Yeah, coming. Wait, I'm just... I know you are, wait. I just put the prawns. Okay na to. Tapos yung banana bread, parang okay na rin siya. Narinig ko na kasi yung timer. Tingnan natin. Here's the banana bread. Siguro mga 10 minutes pa.
You don't eat?
Yes, I am. Sisa kinukuha niya na yung placemat.
Ma, you don't wash the plague mat?
No, I don't. Ah, yeah, sometimes, yeah.
I thought we had none.
Ah, okay.
Mommy!
Sisa ka nagpe-prepare ng table namin.
My brother.
Naririnig.
Oh, me.
Naririnig siya.
Already.
Naririnig si Zach. Tingnan niyo si Zach. Yeah, ayan na. Si Zach ang nag-set up. Yeah, it's almost ready. Hi, Holly.
Oh, that a lot of water, Mom.
Zach, Holly, it's hot there.
Yeah, don't
Go
touch it.
there.
When it's not hot, you didn't touch it.
Yeah.
Not when it's on. That's what I like that.
Zach, okay, done?
Yeah, can you bring it to me, please? It's done!
What you gonna say?
Thank you.
Yes, here's the banana. Careful.
We made it. We made this.
Yes, I know.
Mom,
Yo, wait. Wait.
that tastes good, bud. It tastes good. Mom, what are you doing? Made it banana bread, then look like a cake. Yeah. Are you not talking for me?
I am.
Oh, other.
The vlog, please.
Please subscribe my channel. See you on our next vlog.
Say good night.
Good night. It's dark now.
It's dark now, okay. Try. Is it yum? You like it? Oh, ubus na. It's really good, kuya. Pangatlo niya na yata yan. How many you had, Zach? 2 or 3?
2, please.
How many you had?
2?
2? Stop. You want me to cut you more?
That didn't taste good.
Huh? What's that? Huh?
Drink cartoon.
Tastes good.
Me